Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to fix images and CSS files are not loading in Elementor WordPress website. So this one is my demo website and I am using Xstore WordPress theme. Here you can go and type Xstore WordPress theme. So you can get the theme from Theme Forest. After that, now if you want to log in into your website, just you need to go here /wp-admin, then press enter to log in into WordPress website. So now let me show you appearance, then themes. So I have installed this one, Xstore child theme. This one is parent theme. So first of all, make sure that you have updated your WordPress theme. Then after that, here you can go to plugins, then you can update all of plugins from here. So I have installed Elementor. Now the next step is you need to go in theme files, theme options, click here, then scroll down. On the left side here you can see this one is dashboard. Click here speed optimization and then scroll down. Then you can disable this one, then you can enable font awesome support, then scroll down. So this one is caching, so just you can enable this one. Then after that scroll down, you can disable this one, then scroll down. Disable Elementor dialog JS. So you can disable this one, also disable this one, then scroll down, click here save changes. So this one basically for the Xstore theme. But if you are using Elementor page builder, so first of all we need to clear the cache using Lightspeed cache plugin, this one, and then go to plugins. This one is the plugin that you can install it for free. After that, now let me deactivate. Now we need to go Elementor, then tools, scroll down. After that click here clear files and data, then scroll down, click here save changes. Now Elementor, then settings, then scroll down. Now click here performance, then scroll down. Here you can find out this one, optimized image loading. You can disable this one, then disable, then disable. Then you can do it 1 hour. After that click here save changes. So after doing this setting, just you can go back and then open your website. So I hope this process will solve your solutions. Here you can see website is working fine. So in this way you can easily solve Elementor WordPress website issues.